Alright, trading recap for the 2nd of December. Traded Ver, BA, and apparently that's it. I had SPR on my list because it had a good catalyst along with Boeing that China's going to allow them again, and so it gapped up, and it traded like absolute hot garbage, literally like 20,000 shares a minute. It was total garbage. Lucid, I wanted to take. Lucid was gapping down, and I was like, if it either fails 50 or if it hits 51 and I can short it, I will, but it got too far above 51. But clearly I was right in that today was a failed day, rejection of 50. It's just not a stock that I trade, but I even drew the line right here at 47.19, which it hit. Boom. The whatever this is, 20-day moving average, right there that it hit. Boom. Liquidity zone from right here that it hit. Boom. Plug. Plug had a big down day yesterday, and it was gapping down. I said retested yesterday's low or close, and then failed thereof, and it was too strong. I would have wanted to short this, and it was too strong, either one of these levels, and I just didn't do what I wanted. So I traded VIR, which, so there's like a 0.75 R day, which is absolutely beyond sad. Okay, this thing was like clearly a 2-minute 3-bar play. Right here, it was actually gapping up, but pre-market it was dying, extended pre-market, and it just failed right off the hop. It was like, just beyond weak, and I could see it. And so I actually shorted, no word of a lie, I hit my hotkey probably like 40-50 seconds earlier. I hit it like right here. Well, actually, yeah. I don't know if it was this minute or this minute, but I hit my hotkey right here, and it kept saying like accepted, and the limit kept sitting there. But I guess because it was on SSR, that's why I couldn't get filled on the uptick. But the thing is, I tried getting filled so far below the low a day. Like, I tried getting filled so far above it. So if low a day was 49.26, let's say, I tried getting filled up at like 51, and I couldn't get it until the reload here. And then I finally got 1R, and I was like, okay, well, there's this level here, high volume day. It was the close here, so I was like, take some off here, 47.30, and then there was this moving average, which is a 200 daily moving average right here, and then I was like, just take it off, like it's not gonna fall much further. It had done ATR, so in my actual management of this trade, I couldn't really have asked for too much better. Granted, now this thing actually, yeah, like I did pretty well on it. And then there was BA. BA I also nailed in the way that I read it. I don't know. I don't know what to say about BA. So BA also had that catalyst that was good news, and I was like, well, if we can cancel out the red yesterday, we gapped up kind of to somewhere here. I'm like, it's got to be really strong to get north. Had a pretty decent pre-market, and then kind of was a fallen angel, so I was looking for it to be strong. Once it kept falling, and the buying volume came in pretty decently. We did these double bottoms here. Boom, boom. Then what I did was I bought on the retest of what I thought would be an immediate 1 minute 3-bar play. I just wanted to get bought Then I pulled an idiot. Then I pulled a full idiot. Then I was like, okay, get in on the way back, moving back up, and I set a really tight stop right underneath here because I'm like, I'm gonna go for big R, and immediately got stopped out. Then when I saw it kind of held this area, I got in again with a stop down here, and I was in full clip. I got in once, got in twice, half size, full clip, my average being 195.08, and it shows that I could have had one arm, but I couldn't have because somehow I didn't have my stop loss position correctly, so one R actually would have been one lot closer to their opening price. And once it did this big candle, I just said no, like it broke the trend line, it tried to recoup and get above VWAP, and it's not. I'm just like, get out. Which obviously frustrated me because of course right after that I could have had my 1R and I probably would have gotten out 30%, so I could have had a 1R day, and then it just tanked right after that. So in the end it was the right call ish. I don't know. And here it is on the 5 minute. Now it's gonna work, of course. Yeah. So anyway, that's my day. I might actually pull something I've never pulled before. I might actually trade after I finish this video. If I can get a